so this is part 2 of my mansion. My 3-floor mansion. Look at this. This, guys, over here. This is actually the 2nd floor already. Let's make it turn to daytime. First, click the comment button here on Minecraft. You see these? That's my text actually. Okay, so click this line, click the middle line. See? Okay. Now I want you to click the time if you see it. Second is day and comment there. And now look. It became brighter and shinier. Okay, so no more talk. Oh my goodness, why am I skydiving? Oh my goodness, how can I? Enderman, there's an Enderman in the... This is my dad.
Gamit sa ngagasot niya tao.
Okay. So actually, look at this. I just completed one more wall. Okay, so guys. Wait, actually, guys, let's take a tour at the bottom. This is the bottom. Oh my goodness, why is this? Guys, this is my swimming pool. This is my swimming pool, guys. Okay, I know there's a skeleton in it. I think I want to kill it.
Wow.
Die! Die! Oh.
Ano to, tatay?
Why do skeletons have bow?
Hindi ko dapat natin.
Hindi ka muna.
Basta repeat.
Repeat rabong?
Plastic mat.
Ay, apikis na
Guys, we have...
rabong.
Ha?
Lalok na yung rabong. Isang pit daw.
Here is
Baka,
the first floor.
Tignan mo.
We have...
Hindi pa nag-iba yung kulay. Ha?
Wait, actually, I made a mistake here. It was a little too high. So I need a stairs.
Nagabukbuk ko.